all complexities and impurities are going away. Okay, sit comfortably, closed eyes. Remind yourself the purpose of doing this cleaning, that I am sitting in order to become simple and pure. What do I have to do to arrive at simplicity and purity? I have to remove complexities and impurities. So I make a will, make a sankalpa that all complexities and impurities are going away. While you are making this sankalpa, imagine also that your pelvic area, the pelvic bones, are filled with golden liquid. Immerse your thoughts with this idea that the entire hip area is like a jello, golden jello. Now bring in this idea that all the complexities and impurities are going away from the backside, the entire back, in the form of smoke or vapor. And imagine that it is only accelerating the whole process of removal of complexities and impurities is simply accelerated. Means more smoke or vapor is going out of my back. Your attention sometimes can go towards the heart. Ignore that and think of your entire back. And as you become lighter and lighter, and your heart feeling good about the whole thing, invite the grace from above. With a suggestion that grace is helping me get rid of these complexities and impurities, and is also filling me up with the divine charge. So you can hold on to this idea for another 3-4 minutes, and when it is over, gently open your eyes with a firm determination that yes, my cleaning is complete, and now my whole body has become like a temple worthy of having God in me. Thank you.